Hello viewer, this is for my ClassWeb, a YouTube channel that promotes learning online. For any suggestion, you can use the contact indicated below here, that is +254 722 284 499. The question that I want to explain was number 18, and it was from the KCPE for the year 2019. It has been requested by one of the viewers. Now the question reads, an open rectangular tank has a base measuring 2.0 meters by 1.5 meters. It has a height of 2.5 meters. The surface of the tank was painted. What was the total area painted? It is important to note that this work was supposed to be covered in class 7, and it was about working out surface areas of either cubes or cuboid. Although this one is referred to as a rectangular tank, it's supposed to be a cuboid because if you look at the measurements or the dimensions, they are not for a cube. Now, since this was a rectangular tank, its shape was supposed to be like you can see here, and it was supposed to be painted on the outside surface. Now, the outside surface of this rectangular tank will include this surface, this one, the one which is opposite this one, and there is also another one which is opposite here, and there is also the bottom. Now, the dimensions are 2 meters by 1.5 meters by 2.5 meters. And the surfaces that are supposed to be painted are this one, and this surface here is opposite the one which is on the other end. There is also this other surface here which is opposite this other surface here. Now, before we proceed on, it is important to note that there is also the bottom surface that is also supposed to receive some paints. So in total, the surfaces that are supposed to be painted are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is, in total, you'll get 5 surfaces that are going to receive paint. Now, something else which is very important, this surface here is equal to that surface. So the moment you work out the surface area of this part here, which is rectangular in shape, it has to be multiplied by 2 because it is equivalent to the other side opposite. The same case should apply to this one here. It should also be multiplied by 2 because it is equivalent to the one which is opposite. So the first surface which is here has dimension 2 meters by 2.5 meters. Remember, this 2.5 meters is because this dimension here is equivalent to that one. And because the formula for working out the area of a rectangular shape is length times width, that is why we have to multiply 2.0 meters by 2.5 meters, and it has to be multiplied by 2 because it should be twice because of the other opposite end there. So once you multiply 2.0 by 2.5 and then you multiply by 2, this surface and the other surface there will give you 10 meters squared. The same case should apply to this surface here, which is 1.5 meters by 2.5 meters, and it has to be again multiplied by 2 to get 7.5 meters. Where am I getting 1.5? Where am I getting 2.5? The 1.5 is that length, and the 2.5 is that width there, which is 2.5 meters. The only side which will be multiplied only once is the base, because this tank is opened at the top. Otherwise, if it could have been covered, then we could have multiplied by 2. And therefore, 2.0 multiplied by 1.5 should be equals to 3 meters squared. Remember, this one is an open rectangular box. So Because we are supposed to state or to give the total area that was supposed to be painted, it therefore means that we have to add 10 meters squared by 7.5 meters squared by 3 meters squared. And once you add, you are supposed to get 20.5 meters squared. So going back to the choices, C could have been the most appropriate answer for that question. Continue subscribing to this channel and you'll get more and more worked out examples. Thank you very much and welcome next time.